Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make carrot and pepper mix stew. So this stew is so delicious. Oh god, guys, give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Are you seeing the color? Very sweet. So getting tomato in Nigeria now is very expensive. I decided to try this out and the outcome was so wow. So here are the ingredients: my carrot, the start of the day, onions, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and chili pepper. So we have our protein. I'm going to be using chicken and fish. So I'll be grilling the chicken. I'll boil the chicken and grill it, and I'll grill the fish also. Here I'm trying to clean the carrot. I'll scrape all the back to get rid of any dirt on it. Some people wash it, but I prefer scraping it this way. I'll scrape everything, cut it into pieces that my blender can blend. So here is me trying to set chicken on pot and season it to get it boiled. So the spices I'm going to use for this chicken is curry powder, thyme, chicken seasoning, salt, black pepper, ginger and garlic powder. I'll be leaving all the recipe in the description box below. So I'll mix everything together and put it on fire for like 1 minute to steam before I'll add water that can cook the chicken. So I'll stir everything together to incorporate very well before putting it on fire. Put it on fire for 1 minute, let it steam, then I'll add in my water. So you add water according to the quantity of your chicken. I'll be adding water that can cook the chicken because we are going to be using the meat stock later. So here are my well cleaned pepper, onions and carrots. So my chicken is ready. So I'll be lining it up in my air fryer. I'll air fry it. So guys, if you have watched to this extent, please give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. So when that one is going on, I've put my oil on fire and I'm putting in my onions. This is my mixed carrots and onions. So here is the onions on hot oil frying. I'll add in thyme, curry. I'll allow the onions to fry till it's transparent. Guys, the aroma now is everywhere. When the onions is ready, I'll now put in the mixed carrots. You'll mix everything and allow it to fry. So you allow it to fry until you see oil coming up a little, then you now add your meat stock. Like here, my oil have started coming up. I add my meat stock and a bit water. So my seasoning cube. Here I add 2 seasoning cube because this stew is already sweet and you don't need too much spice. salt to taste. Then I'll be giving it a test to see if there's any adjustment to be done. So when I test it, I feel like there's something missing, and I add 1 cube of seasoning. Cover it and allow it to fry for a bit. So after that, I'll now come back and add in my protein, mix it and cover it to fry for like 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes and I am done. It's as simple as this. Give it a try. And let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. This stew is so delicious, guys. Just give it a try. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always stopping by. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye.